Nā, ko ia te Māori tuarua kia noho hei kāwana tianara ki tēnei whenua, tai rawa mai ki te mutunga o tērā mahi āna i te rātau. Heoi, no te rā nei, ka whakawhiwhia a tā Jerry Matepārai ki te tūranga kai kōmihana mo Aotearoa ki Rānana. I kōrero motu hake tēnei uri rangatira o tūwhare toa me Kahungunu kia rīpeka timu i te rā nei. Ko Brexit, ko tana moke ki ngā kai o te kāinga, me tōna harikoa ki tōna tūranga hou e tahi o ngā whakapuakitanga.
E noho tawhiti ana ia I tōna kāinga I Whanganui.
You think your family are proud of you?
You have to ask them. Certainly, I keep in touch with aunties because they are the last link with my father and my mother and my mother and my father. So I keep in touch with them. In fact, thank you for reminding me. Kia ora, my aunties.
Engari, he wero nui kei mua I te aroaro.
Well, did you ever imagine from your time growing up in Whanganui that you would be here?
What sort of a question is that? No, of course not. Throughout my life and my career, I've never looked too far ahead. You don't get ahead of yourself because, you've got to do today's job and maybe tomorrow look at what tomorrow brings.
E ai ki aia e ngā kau nui ana te toko maha ki te ahurea Māori.
We can demonstrate that we've got this Western, wouldn't say it's a facade, but this Western look about us. But when you go deeper, we've got something more which is uniquely of Aotearoa New Zealand. And I think that's a really massive benefit that we've got. So, taking a kapa haka group, but as long as we're explaining what's going on, I think it works wonders.
O tira I tū atu I ngā kaupapa taumaha, kei reira hoki ngā painga.
Does your job mean that you get to rub shoulders with, the Queen and Prince Harry and Prince William and the likes?
Not rub shoulders, but certainly hongi. From the most unexpected people, there's this expectation that as we greet each other, there will be a hongi. So, so people over here understand that. And, you go into an event as the High Commissioner and you're introduced. And as soon as you are introduced, there will be somebody inevitably who will come up and say, "Hi, Jerry," and, go lean in for hongi. Isn't that great?
Mō nāia nei e hānea ana te noho a Matepārai ki tana torona hou, hei mana nui mo Aotearoa ki Piritana Nui. Rīpeka timu, Te Karere.